What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button as always. And I'm here to bring you the Supreme Nike Spectrum. And this is a shoe that actually dropped in the early 2000s. So a lot of people have been calling this the Guy Fieri shoe of 2018. But honestly, I'm a huge Supreme head. I love this shoe. I gotta show you what it looks like on feet, but each to their own. Honestly, I feel like this is a shoe that you gotta style to wear, and if you can't rock it, don't buy it. So that's plain and simple. That's how I feel. But without further ado, we'll talk about the logistics and how this dropped, as always, and get the on foot and the close-ups. So let's get this out of the box. Typical Supreme box. It does have the pull-out box that we see with their Nike collabs. Has a box logo on the sides, which is pretty cool. Inside the box, we do have the Supreme tissue paper with the shoe. So just getting it out of the box, putting it to the side now. In hand, I gotta tell you guys, weight-wise, this is very, very light. And I was pretty surprised, but you know what? It's an older shoe. They re-retroed it. It looks exactly like it did before. So I'll talk about what the differences are in comparison to that one. But right off the bat, clean design. You do have the flames that a lot of people are hating on, but like I said, each to their own. I love how it looks. On foot, they look insanely good. Fire. Cue the pun. In addition to that, we do have the Nike logo branding both on the heel, the tongue, as well as on the insole. So Nike does this with Supreme always, and they do put their branding on the insole with the collab. In addition to that, we do have the Supreme logo on the tongue and a bubble. Apart from those two areas, we do have it again on the heel where it says Supreme over the globe. Pretty cool placement. Other than that, you don't really have the Supreme logo anywhere else. It is what it is, but anyone who knows what this shoe was, they'll know Supreme Nike collab 2018. So I'm gonna get these on foot, tell you guys what I think about them. But pricing wise, I paid retail, so they were around 160 US. Came to around 200 Canadian after tax and shipping. It is pretty much what you're getting is what you're paying for. It's not the most comfortable shoe. I've already slept this on foot, but it is a everyday wear. So keep that in mind when purchasing it. It's just for hype. It's not really for comfort. So get these on feet. Tell me what you guys think. I'm rocking with an Alex T, Tech Fleece, and obviously Nike socks. So catch you guys in a bit. My next video coming up. Hit that subscribe button as always, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.